Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate crinkle cookies. I had a request to make crinkle cookies, so here we go. That's what we're going to do. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Before I move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get baking. Down below in the description box, you will find the list of the ingredients and their amounts. Let's start with our butter. This is 1/4 cup of butter. You could also switch it out and use oil. And I'm just going to melt this in the microwave for about 15-20 seconds until it's melted. All right, and then we take our butter and put it there. Now what we'll do is we will add our 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar and the 1/2 cup of brown sugar. You could use all white sugar if you like. Now with a hand mixer or stand mixer, let's cream these together. Let's add our 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend that together. Come in here and scrape it a bit. Fantastic. And now we will sift in our dry ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose or plain flour, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Tap the sides. And I usually do about half of it. And then mix. Scrape those sides. And then at this point, we're going to get rid of the mixer. Come in here with a spoon and incorporate the rest of our dry ingredients. And then the consistency is going to resemble brownies. Nice fudge brownie-ish. Pretty similar to a brownie recipe. All right, and once it is all mixed together, we want to chill this in the refrigerator for 2 to 4 hours or even overnight. And that is going to help with the cookie to get the texture that we want, the nice crinkled cookie texture. So cover this up and put it in the fridge. And once the cookie dough has cooled, we'll come in here with like a round tablespoon or like an ice cream scoop, and we'll grab some of it depending on the size that we want to make, and with clean hands we'll take it and make sure to turn it into a ball. Again, make sure you have clean hands or use gloves. And then in our powdered sugar, just some powdered sugar here, we want to cover the whole thing in powdered sugar. And we'll continue to do that. And depending on how many of these cookies you want to make, you might want to double or triple the recipe. And you space them about 2 inches apart because they will spread a little. While you are rolling these out, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius. And now these are ready to go into the oven for about 10 minutes to 12 minutes, depending on the size. All right, on to that step. And when they come out of the oven, they will look something like this. We'll let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes and then transfer them to a wire rack. They're going to appear soft, but they will crisp up as they cool down. Now that they have cooled a bit, I'm going to bite into one and show you what it looks like. Mmm. All right, the chocolate crinkle cookies are done. Turned out fantastic. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. It'll really help me out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into one of these. Oh yeah, I'm gonna grab this one right here. Mm-mm-mm.